Hello, everybody. So what you guys are doing is now you're going to be writing the equation of all lines rather than separate assignments on just diagonal or just horizontal or vertical. So when they're diagonal lines, this is the pattern you need to follow. Slope-intercept form, where again, M is the slope and B is the y-intercept. Okay, so for this left one, we want this pattern. The y-intercept is -5, so -5 is the y-intercept, that's your b. And your slope, remember you're going to use rise over run to get the slope. So if I go from this point to this point, I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and run 1, 2, 3. So I rose 5, ran 3. So that's your slope. So y is equal to 5/3 x, and the y-intercept is -5, so -5. And that's your answer. For this one, again, that's the pattern you want to use. The y-intercept, you can read out in -5. The slope, remember it's rise over run. And that's going to be, if I go from this point to this point, I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, right 1. So I rose a -2 and ran 1. So your slope is just -2. So following this pattern, y is equal to -2x plus 5. That would be your answer. So any diagonal line follows this pattern. Okay. When it's a horizontal line, remember it's only crossing the y, so the equation only has the y. It's y is equal to some number. And you look at the y-intercept, which is 7. And you're done. That's it. Nothing more to do. When it's a vertical line, it only crosses the x. So the equation looks like x equals some number. And you look to see where it crosses the x. It crosses at 1. So x is equal to 1. That's your final answer. You cannot use this pattern to describe these lines. Okay? It doesn't work. Y is equal to some number because it only crosses the y. X is equal to some number because it only crosses the x. I think that's the last slide. Oh, nope. Then the other style of question is for the horizontal and vertical. They're going to give you the equation. You would click on the pull-down menu. This one only has an x, so that means it's going to be vertical. So you would click on this, you choose vertical. It will draw a vertical line, and then you click on that yellow dot. The dot there will be yellow. And then you drag that yellow dot to -4 over here, and then let go, and it will draw this line, the vertical line there. Okay? Similar deal here. It only has the y, so that means it only crosses the y, so it's going to be a horizontal line. So you click on this, pull down, and let go on horizontal, and it will draw a random horizontal line with the yellow dot on the y-axis. You drag that yellow dot to 3 and let go, and it will draw the horizontal line, whoops, at 3, which I missed. Okay, so that should be it. Thank you guys for your time. Have a great one.